Everything me have, you know me work hard for it. So why don't you nigga bad mind me for it? Every day them see me out a road and me a flash. Buy me one a liquor, so me have me one a glass. All them me close them so sharp. So who no like me style, tell a boy fit your calf now. Them a watch everything and me a wear and no see the hard work when me do for me career now. Them a wonder how me things and so there them want kill you for the car where you was here. Me heart not dirty, me heart clean like the water from the stream.
So yes, One Nation family, these are the quality works that we talk about on Charms and Trends. Just go and support Charms and Trends. Charms _and_ trends on Instagram, and you can go straight to the website charmsandtrends.shop. Remember, me merge them over there, and anything like them here, you can get it customized with the Speak My Mind name or the Life is a Mission name. So go support Charms and Trends on Instagram. People, I want you to know one of Jamaica's biggest problem in the business sector. I want you to know that the problem is, or the problem rank them amongst the worst in the world in the business sector. How much you know? Eh? You gotta ask the question again. How much you know Jamaica's biggest problem in the business sector that it make them rank amongst the worst, one of the worst in the world? Customer care, man. Customer care in Jamaica is so poor. It sucks. And this is why you have so much delinquent people paying certain bills. Like even one of the main people them where sometimes, you know, is motorists who get tickets to pay. Because these long lines that you have to stand in a tax office to pay a bill. Come on. We need to do something about with customer care service in Jamaica. We need to improve it. You understand? Can you believe I go to Digicel? I have a modem to turn in from August. And this is about the 4th time I have been to Digicel to turn in that modem. The first 3 times, I have to take away myself because of the crowd and I know what's going to happen. This morning, I was going next door to the plaza where Digicel is, and I said, alright, since I got early to deal with this, probably this is the best time to do so. And people, can you imagine? I got there, I see 2 women on the line. Realize that is somebody in the early morning that little minutes to 10, about 9:45 I reached there. Was doing the customer care service. And she having a man there doing the business with him. And it took me 35 minutes to 45 minutes before I could get you. If you know one customer possible to take up so many time, why only have one customer care representative? Why? While you have 2 different areas where the people must walk free. Nobody to deal with. It should be a case where if you even have one, in the early morning, the next 2 areas could able to deal with the same procedure as the customer care person when they have nobody to deal with. Instead of them idle and you have customer in the place, stand up and wait for you for so long just to turn in a modem. You understand? And this is why probably most people now would have a modem and don't turn it in. And as I say, delinquent in paying bills because of these things. Them want you come pay your bill, but them not put nothing in place for you easily access and quickly get through in a life. You have to come spend 3 hours to pay a bill. Stupidness. And this is why so much people owe ticket, so much people owe light bill, water rate, some of the people them bill overdue because of the same reason. And when them light cut off, them realize because them go for pay it and the crowd of them see and the time them have to go take and them have other business to deal with and all these things. Remember my people, man. I want to Jamaica biggest problem, customer care service. Where the business sector is concerned, that it make them rank amongst the worst in the world. I recently do a video. I talk about the girl them we go a dance 7 nights a week. And on a bed. But let's see that one here. That one here for only look at dirty nasty boy out the road. Where I go a dance 7 nights a week. Some of them sound slick. Only in the dairy set of clothes and way. Some of them walk behind some scammers. And in walking behind the scammers them, you take money and give money pull up. How much $1,000 you light a fire? How much $1,000 you tear up? And at the end of the day, you pick the wake up to them Monday morning. Now on a lunch money if you go to school. How you do it? Over the whole weekend, day to day on the pitney are dead for hungry. How you do it? A stepfather on the one mind on the pitney. And then when stepfather and mine on the pitney now, our man and mine on the pitney and get into the woman, you don't want to beat off the woman and you don't want to play on the part. Eh? Someone even go a step further. When they dance and give you money. Yes, we agree, so no phone no money. When they dance and burn up money. Yes, we agree, so no phone no money. But me not par against the man. We are giving much money to selector for money pull up. And I lie too much money and fire and tomorrow morning me wake up a beg a next man $1 a beg a man a breakfast. Hey boy, you don't do better, you know. Hey boy, you don't do better. You understand? You can't dance and run up and down with man. I give much money pull up and I burn up how much money. I want to pick the hungry can't go to school. You no hungry tomorrow morning can't buy a breakfast. You don't do better. Some boy, everything people say not talk about, burn up that and why and this and tara not. I want to burn up and want to why on now, why and burn up, you know. You know what you want to talk about, you live in a mansion and you want a mansion. And that you for why, a woman for want a mansion. You understand? Woman for want a mansion and man for want a woman-shan. And you know the worst part of it, you know walk a wire and burn up people. The worst part of it, you know. On smoke off on the one. As you see a man that's spliffing in his mouth here talk about, give me 2 no. Why you not burn the number 2 too? But the number 2, you understand? And most of all, you're not supposed to beg no man to draw for no spliff or beg a 2 out of a cigarette. Because out cigarette cheap. And you not walk and beg a draw for a cigarette. Eh? A man have a spliff tail catching in his mouth or a spliff catching in his mouth. A base saliva that. You see what I say? Base saliva that, but you don't want to draw out of a spliff. Worse if you don't hear say boy a $5,000 bag of weed. Look how much saliva upon the spliff tail. I know no mouth to not put that in. You not consider say a kiss or not kiss a man there so. Eh? A that one for why man, a that one for burn up. You're a smoker, you're supposed to can buy your own spliff. You're supposed to can buy your own cigarette. You're not supposed to have beg your John, beg your tuna. Move out of here. And then you know why you not burn up people. You can't why you burn up people, you know walk a beg on a friend a jar for him spliff and a jar for him cigarette. Go ahead. Look on life, people. A 3 sick youth them there, you know. 3 young youth and a sick youth them. See them there? 3 sick youth. Headpiece gone. 3 of them are going down the road there. 3 sick youth. 3 of them head gone, you know, people. And 3 of them link up and 3 of them head gone. And don't feel like 3 of them born be friends. Them not born be no friends when you say something them go do. Make it happen. And that's the way of life, you know? Yeah, man. 3 of them head gone, man. People, if anything for us to believe about this, them say, the Bible say, God say, you must share. You understand? How much I want to hear that and know that? Someone know out here are Christian. Want to explain this to me? The Bible say you must share, right? But sometimes me consider when me hear them things here, because most time the pastor preach, but him not do what him preach. So is that him come out here a fool the public, or she come out here a fool the public? If you have a share, why every time you go to one church, especially a small church, when you have much space? Yeah, man, especially when the space small. And when me say that, it is to say this. The space small. And when you go, the church only have one car park space. And when you look, you see big sign. Pastor only. So why the pastor come and preach, say, you have share? And I preach from the Bible, but him now do the same thing. Somebody tell me now, man, the space is supposed to leave open so anybody reach church fast or reach church quicker. Hold the space? No. Pastor put up sign, pastor only, but he still have to share. So every other church member will drive a vehicle for park that outside the road or find place to park it. Pastor, come explain this to me. Or you will tell yourself a share, but here's still the one parking space in the church. You make sure you put up sign, pastor only. People, you see in a life, you see the same people in my bill. Be careful of them. And not just the people that will hate you, be careful of them. Be careful of the people that will love you too. Because in a life, you see, as soon as the same set of people that say them love you and help if you reach the top. So when you reach the top, them same one jealous of you and want to bring you down. And you see, if you don't do what them want to bring you down. Right now, Jaden is one of the biggest stars on Tiktok right now. And when I say the biggest star, it's not like in a ranking while my rank. No. The same set of people that build him want to tear him down. And you see the same set of people that build him, the same thing he did do from day one. When them dip on him team and I build him. But because of one reason or the other, them jump ship. And I tear him down now for where I do say I scam people and I do too much prank and I do this. And you see the same set of people them where used to support him and jump ship and go and support a next man. You see the next man are the same thing he might do. Are the same thing he might do. Because 90% of him come out here and 95% of him come out here come talk on the platform. If you have sense and listen, nothing no go so. What I say? If you have sense and listen, nothing no go so. But what? People love mix up, people love sauce. And you say anyway the hot sauce and the hot mix up there, are there them there. So you where them used to support before, you see the little slight move for you make, them go against it because them have somebody else so them want to go support. Jaden now do nothing upon TikTok right now, we never did that do before them are supporting. Because at the time when Jaden come and do certain things, them never did a support him. Them never look upon him. And when them start disrespect people, talk about the nyamming crutches, and talk about all kind of things, the whole of them jump up and start supporting. Check it now, man. Check it now. But because this brother they are foreign now and come, when Naya drop out and start talk a bag of things. Him did up on TikTok before, and none of them never run him down neither, But two Naya drop out now, and enough of them kind of grieve over Naya thing, and him start come and start make up a whole heap of story. Him come and him start make up a whole heap of story, and the whole of them just love the mix up, and them just take on to him, and everybody start supporting. Now, all of who that say Jaden, 70% of them now say Jaden no more. Other man that them a say. You understand? And then them come out here and hold conference on Jaden name every day. There's not one day we go up on TikTok and conference now all about Jaden. And when me talk this, me not talk because me and Jaden are friends. I never talk to Jaden yet. I never even type on. I don't even think I ever type on Jaden live yet. But me just look on life in general, how you can be treated by the same people that must say them love you, the same people that must say them support you. That is the real reason for this video. You understand? Everywhere you go, you hear them talk about Jaden a scammer, be a scam, him scam the people, man, play upon the people them mind. Jaden not play upon none of the mind, man. So if tomorrow morning me not have nothing, and when me get up one morning, me come and me post against a jail here. Right? And when I post against it, I'm say, yeah, me just buy this, whether me buy it or not. I want to feel like say, Me come and say I want a money for insure it and people want to send money come insure it. Come on, who gonna refuse money? Me never beg on no money. Me just say me just buy this and me not have money for insure it. I so want a money for insure it, you know. And people want to send money come. I no scam me scam no man. Entertainment come in all different form. What Jaden a do on live, me not gonna do that. Come and say he got it and he want this to eat and he want that to eat and certain things and him run some little beat joke and all them something there. Me not depend them something there. But him see it a work for him. And him not have a problem with it working for him while saying it. Yeah, man go length and bread for earn where him want. Some man stop halfway. And if it not come, it just not come. You can't come out and talk about the man a scam. The man never own nobody and go in them pocket. You not talk about the man a play upon people's mind. And people now take time for process all of that. Them just take up for them one and send what you. You have to stop it. Because the man who the whole on support right now. You see that man there? I'll be a false information him carry out here. 95% of what I say, but I want support. Because I love drama, I love mix up, I love news. So I take on to him and I support him now. I don't look upon it and say I play phone of mine because I realize I love mix up. Check it now, man. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Boy, people, it's a sad night. Very, very sad night. So many people mourning. Very sad people. People, it's a very sad night. Me not related, but it's a very sad night, people. It's a very sad night. Me not related, but it's a very sad night. So, just imagine the people that are related. The people that have so much to lose, people. If me not have nothing to lose, I'm feeling so much. I mean, I have nothing to lose. People, big 9 night they over TikTok. And even 9 night I set up this a first night. TikTok dead. Oh God, TikTok dead. Oh, them are gonna manage. TikTok dead, people. TikTok dead. Morning, it hot. No for the lazy people, them are go hungry again. When they want to look no work. And them say begging is very easy and it is tax free. And you know, just stick over your back, you just sit down and beg and cuss the people that will give you. People think that dead, it gone, people, it gone, I'm sorry. Morning on TikTok, everywhere you go, be a morning, people. Every TikTok page you tick on, a morning.